Hey, to pair your Sennheiser Momentum 4 with your Android phone, first of all, locate the power button and turn off the earbuds, the headphones, by clicking and holding on the power button. When you turn it off, this indicator will blink 3 times red. Next, you have to repeat, click and hold the button, and now just wait until all of these indicators start blinking white. It will take around few seconds. There we go, now you have to release. And in the next step, you have to go to the Bluetooth settings on your phone, then turn it on with this switcher, and now from available devices list you have to select your Momentum 4. So click on it once and then accept the pairing request. And as you can see, right now we are successfully connected. And if you want to connect the Sennheiser headphones into your application, the phone application, I have also a separate video on the channel and where I'm showing you how to do this step by step. So that's all right now. Please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.